A lot of Toyota hybrid owners think Eco Mode quietly helps protect the battery every time they drive. The logic sounds simple: less power use and a calmer driving feel must mean better battery life. But that's not how Toyota's hybrid system actually works. Whether you drive a Toyota Prius, Camry Hybrid, RAV4 Hybrid, Highlander Hybrid, or newer models, Eco Mode is not a battery protection feature. It mainly adjusts how the car responds to your inputs to improve efficiency during normal driving. When activated, it softens throttle response, reduces acceleration sensitivity, and makes systems like air conditioning run more conservatively. In simple terms, it encourages smoother driving without you having to think about it. And yes, smoother driving can reduce stress on the hybrid system over time. Less aggressive acceleration means fewer sharp power swings and lower heat buildup. But the key point is this: real battery protection is not coming from Eco Mode. Toyota's hybrid system already manages battery temperature, charge levels, and power flow automatically in the background. It prevents both overcharging and deep discharging, which are the real factors that affect long-term battery health. So whether you're in Eco, Normal, or Sport mode, that protection is always active. That's why Eco Mode doesn't directly extend battery life the way many people assume. Its effect is indirect, not structural. To understand whether Eco Mode really affects your Toyota hybrid battery, you first need to understand something most drivers never see. The system is managing the battery every second the car is running. Unlike a regular gasoline vehicle, a Toyota hybrid is constantly balancing power between the engine and electric motor. What makes it reliable long-term is the software controlling everything in the background. The battery is also not used like a normal phone or laptop battery. Toyota limits its usable range on purpose. Even when it shows full, there's still hidden reserve capacity, and when it looks low, it still avoids deep discharge. That controlled range is a major reason these batteries can last for hundreds of thousands of miles. Heat management is just as important. Since heat is one of the biggest threats to battery life, the system constantly monitors temperature, activates cooling when needed, and adjusts power flow depending on driving conditions. This is where Eco Mode often gets misunderstood. It does not control or improve these protections. Whether you're in Eco, Normal, or Sport mode, the same core battery safety systems are always active. Charging limits, discharge control, and temperature protection are handled automatically by the hybrid system itself. What changes between modes is only how the car responds to the driver. Eco Mode softens throttle input and slows power delivery. Sport Mode sharpens response and makes the car feel more immediate. But underneath all of that, the battery is still being managed the same way. And that's the real advantage of Toyota hybrids. The system handles battery protection automatically without driver input. Even though Eco Mode doesn't directly protect the battery, it still affects long-term efficiency, just not in the way most people assume. Its main effect is on driving behavior. Once activated, the car responds less sharply to throttle input. The accelerator feels softer, power delivery becomes more gradual, and the driving experience naturally encourages smoother acceleration without much effort from the driver. And that matters more than it seems. One of the main stress points in any hybrid system is repeated hard acceleration. Every time you floor the pedal, the battery and electric motor must deliver instant power, which increases heat and intensifies charge and discharge activity. Eco Mode reduces how often that happens by limiting aggressive throttle response. Instead of sharp bursts of power, acceleration becomes smoother and more controlled. Over time, that driving style can improve efficiency. The engine doesn't need to react to sudden power demands as often, and energy use becomes more predictable in normal driving. Eco Mode also adjusts climate control. In many Toyota hybrids, the air conditioning runs more conservatively to reduce energy use. Since AC can place a noticeable load on the system, especially in hot weather, this can slightly improve fuel economy in city driving, but the effect shouldn't be overstated. In most cases, the difference is small and depends heavily on driving style. If you already drive smoothly, you may barely notice any change. If you drive aggressively, Eco Mode becomes more noticeable because it actively limits that behavior. That's why Eco Mode is best understood as a driving aid, not a battery protection feature. Its value comes from shaping driving habits, not directly extending battery life. But many Toyota hybrid owners eventually realize Eco Mode isn't ideal for every driving situation. In some cases, it can feel less responsive and harder to drive smoothly. The main issue is throttle response. Eco mode slows how quickly the car reacts to accelerator input, so you often press deeper just to get normal performance. That changes the driving balance. It's most noticeable when merging, climbing hills, overtaking, or accelerating into fast traffic. The response can feel delayed, forcing extra throttle to compensate. At that point, the engine may still engage more strongly anyway, reducing some of eco mode's efficiency gains. That's why many drivers see little difference in real-world fuel economy between eco and normal mode. Normal mode often feels more consistent and predictable. This is even clearer in larger hybrids like the Highlander hybrid, Sienna hybrid, Grand Highlander hybrid, and Toyota hybrid trucks, where more weight naturally needs more power. Sport mode is also misunderstood. Some assume it increases battery stress, but the hybrid protection system still runs fully in the background. The only difference is faster power delivery. Occasional use of sport mode does not harm the battery. The key point is simple. Drive modes change feel and response, not Toyota's built-in hybrid battery protection, which is always active. So if eco mode isn't what really determines Toyota hybrid battery life, what does? The biggest factor is heat. Hybrid batteries don't handle long-term high temperatures well. Over time, heat slowly breaks down the internal chemistry, causing gradual wear. That's why hybrids in hotter climates usually age faster than those in cooler regions. And it's not just driving heat. Parking in direct sunlight for long periods also adds stress, since the cooling system only works while the car is running. Another factor is inactivity. Toyota hybrids are designed to be driven regularly. Letting the vehicle sit unused for weeks or months can affect battery balance and long-term performance. Toyota hybrids are built to last, but smoother driving always reduces long-term wear. In reality, these habits have a much bigger impact on battery life than eco mode ever does. So after everything, what's the real answer to the question about Toyota hybrid eco mode? Does it actually save your hybrid battery? Not directly. Eco mode isn't designed as a battery protection feature. Toyota already built that protection into the system through battery management software, charging limits, and temperature control that constantly run in the background. That protection is always active whether you're in eco, normal, or sport mode. What eco mode actually does is change how the car behaves. It softens throttle response, reduces power demand, and encourages smoother driving. And yes, smoother driving can indirectly reduce stress on the hybrid system over time. But eco mode is not the reason Toyota hybrid batteries last long. The real factors are how the vehicle is used, keeping it cool, driving it regularly, maintaining airflow to the battery, and avoiding constant aggressive driving. Those matter far more than pressing the eco button. And that's the key takeaway. Many drivers focus too much on drive modes when basic driving habits and proper care have a much bigger impact on battery life. At the end of the day, eco mode is just a tool. It can help with smoother city driving, but normal mode can feel more balanced in other situations. What matters is understanding what it actually does and what it doesn't. Once you understand how Toyota's hybrid system works, it becomes clear the battery protection is already handled for you in the background.